This is your NOAA weather radio station KHB40, operating on a frequency of 162.55 megahertz from the National Weather Service office in League City, Texas. The transmitter and antenna for this station are located in Hitchcock, Texas. This is the 3:45 p.m. Upper Texas Coast Tide Information for Galveston Channel. Tide times for today: high tide at 7:35 p.m. Low tide at 10:57 p.m. On Friday, high tide at 1:21 a.m. Low tide at 11:16 a.m. High tide at 8:18 p.m. Low tide at 11:01 p.m. For Clear Lake entrance, tide times for today. On Friday, for Port O'Connor, tide times for today. On Friday, high tide at 1:10 a.m. Low tide at 1:20 p.m. The water temperature at Galveston Bay entrance was 58 degrees. 10 p.m. observations at Galveston, clear. Temperature 52, dew point 39, relative humidity 61%. Wind north at 12 miles an hour. Pressure 30.20 inches and rising. At an offshore rig, located 20 miles southeast of Galveston, clear. Temperature 54, dew point 37, relative humidity 54%. Wind north at 17 miles an hour. Pressure 30.19 inches and rising. At Houston Bush Intercontinental, partly cloudy. Temperature 45, dew point 34, relative humidity 65%. Wind north at 5 miles an hour. Pressure 30.21 inches and rising. Other regional observations: skies ranged from clear to partly cloudy. It was 50 at Hobby Airport, 40 at Huntsville, 41 at Conroe, and 45 at Tomball. Dallas-Fort Worth reported 40, College Station reported 44, and San Antonio reported 49. Coastal stations: it was clear, with a temperature of 41 at Lake Charles, 43 at Beaumont, and 48 at Palacios. It was mostly cloudy, with a temperature of 50 at Corpus Christi, and 43 at Victoria. The buoy reports: the report from 20 miles east of Galveston was not available. 60 miles south of Freeport, winds were north, at 16 knots. Sea temperature 73. Wave height 2 feet. Wave period 4 seconds. The forecast for Galveston and the surrounding areas. Rest of tonight, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-30s. North winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Friday, sunny. Highs in the mid-50s. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Friday night, clear. Lows in the mid-30s. West winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Saturday, sunny. Highs in the lower 60s. West winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Saturday night, mostly clear in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-40s. Southwest winds around 5 miles per hour. Sunday, mostly sunny. Highs around 70. Sunday night, partly cloudy. A chance of showers in the evening. Lows in the upper 40s. Chance of rain 30%. New Year's Day, mostly sunny. Highs in the lower 60s. Monday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 40s. Tuesday, partly sunny. A chance of showers in the afternoon. Highs in the mid-50s. Chance of rain 30%. Tuesday night, mostly cloudy. A chance of showers. Lows in the lower 40s. Chance of rain 50%. Wednesday, partly sunny. A chance of showers in the morning. Highs in the mid-50s. Chance of rain 40%. Wednesday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the upper 30s. Thursday, mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-50s. The forecast for Galveston and the surrounding areas. Rest of tonight, mostly clear. Lows around 40. North winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. sunny. Highs in the mid-50s. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Friday night, clear. Lows in the lower 40s. West winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Saturday, sunny. Highs in the upper 50s. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles per hour, becoming west in the afternoon. Saturday night, mostly clear. Near steady temperature in the mid-50s. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Sunday, mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-60s. Sunday night, partly cloudy in the evening, then becoming mostly cloudy. A chance of showers. Lows in the lower 50s. Chance of rain 40%. New Year's Day, mostly sunny. Highs around 60. Monday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-40s. Tuesday, partly sunny. A chance of showers in the afternoon. Highs in the mid-50s. Chance of rain 30%. Tuesday night, mostly cloudy. A chance of showers. Lows in the lower 40s. Chance of rain 50%. Wednesday, partly sunny. A chance of showers in the morning. Highs in the lower 50s. Chance of rain 40%. Wednesday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 40s. Thursday, mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-50s. The coastal waters forecast for the following coastal location: Galveston Bay. Rest of tonight, north winds 10 to 15 knots. Bay waters slightly choppy. Friday, northwest winds around 10 knots, becoming west late. Bay waters smooth to slightly choppy. Friday night, west winds 5 to 10 knots. Bay waters smooth. Saturday, west winds 5 to 10 knots, becoming southwest late. Bay waters smooth. Saturday night, southwest winds 5 to 10 knots. Bay waters smooth. Sunday, south winds around 10 knots, increasing to 10 to 15 knots in the afternoon. Bay waters smooth, becoming slightly choppy in the afternoon. Sunday night, south winds 10 to 15 knots, becoming west after midnight. Bay waters slightly choppy. A chance of showers. Monday, north winds 10 to 15 knots. Bay waters slightly choppy. Monday night, northeast winds 10 to 15 knots. Bay waters slightly choppy. Tuesday, east winds 10 to 15 knots. Bay waters slightly choppy. A chance of showers in the afternoon. Tuesday night, northeast winds 10 to 15 knots. Bay waters slightly choppy. A chance of showers. The coastal waters forecast for the following coastal location: coastal waters from High Island to Freeport, Texas, out 20 nautical miles. Small craft should exercise caution. Rest of tonight, north winds around 15 knots, increasing to 15 to 20 knots. Seas 2 to 3 feet. Friday, northwest winds 10 to 15 knots, becoming west late. Seas 2 to 3 feet. Friday night, west winds 10 to 15 knots. Seas around 2 feet. Saturday, northwest winds 10 to 15 knots, becoming west around 10 knots in the late morning and early afternoon, then becoming southwest late. Seas around 2 feet in the morning, then 1 foot or less. Saturday night, southwest winds around 10 knots, increasing to 10 to 15 knots late. Seas 1 foot or less, then around 2 feet after midnight. Sunday, south winds 10 to 15 knots. Seas 2 to 3 feet. Sunday night, south winds around 15 knots, becoming southwest after midnight. Seas 2 to 4 feet. A chance of showers. Monday, north winds around 15 knots. Seas 2 to 4 feet. Monday night, northeast winds around 15 knots. Seas 2 to 4 feet. Tuesday, east winds 15 to 20 knots. Seas 2 to 4 feet. A chance of showers in the afternoon. Tuesday night, northeast winds 15 to 20 knots. Seas 5 feet. A chance of showers. The coastal waters forecast. For the following coastal location, waters from High Island to Freeport, Texas, extending from 20 to 60 nautical miles. Small craft should exercise caution. Rest of tonight, north winds around 15 knots, increasing to 15 to 20 knots. Seas 2 to 4 feet. Friday, north winds 15 to 20 knots, becoming northwest around 15 knots in the afternoon. Seas 2 to 4 feet. Friday night, west winds around 15 knots. Seas 2 to 3 feet. Saturday, west winds 10 to 15 knots. Seas 2 to 3 feet. Saturday night, southwest winds 10 to 15 knots. Seas around 2 feet. Sunday, south winds around 15 knots, increasing to 15 to 20 knots in the afternoon. Seas 2 to 4 feet. Sunday night, southwest winds 15 to 20 knots. Seas 3 to 5 feet. A chance of showers. Monday, north winds around 15 knots. Seas 4 to 5 feet. Monday night, northeast winds 15 to 20 knots. Seas around 4 feet. Tuesday, east winds 15 to 20 knots. Seas around 4 feet. A chance of showers in the afternoon. Tuesday night, east winds around 20 knots. Seas 4 to 5 feet. Showers likely. A chance of thunderstorms after midnight. Winds and seas higher and near thunderstorms.